I cannot fuck with these red guys, dripping on and she baptized. Taking her back by her ass and think she in love with my cash size. Put it all like bad vibes, can't give me no cash, please. Phone to the hobby, counting these racks in my pastime. Call back on me, take a champion, man, with a tragedy. My bitch, you look a masterpiece. I'm in a troll cavity. If 12 ask me questions and tell it shit, I just don't get to the Benjamins. Spend it on my bitch and my battery. Charged up, that's your shit. She in my balls like Eminem. Cry, you know that I'm getting it. I think this shit is evident. Taking her back by her ass and think she in love with my cash size. Put it all like bad vibes, can't give me no cash, please. Phone to the hobby, counting these racks in my pastime. Call back on me, take a champion, man, with a tragedy. My bitch, you look a masterpiece. I'm in a troll cavity. If 12 ask me questions and tell it shit, I just don't get to the Benjamins. Spend it on my bitch and my battery. Charged up, that's your shit. She in my balls like Eminem. Cry, you know that I'm getting it. I think this shit is evident. I don't do no after, stream on me, I'm sure. Talk to the girls like Kanye. You got 3,000 on Android. I grew on the moon, I just on Europe. Smoking out good though, pizza from Pluto. Packing like Saturn, I didn't ring. Paying on my table, it's nothing you bring. I drew on blue notes, I just want euros. Smoking on good though, pizza from Pluto. Packing like Saturn, I didn't ring. Paying on my table, it's nothing you bring.
Kann ich erst frohen, war der Haut präpariert?
For the main course will be
Ma als Hauptplat präpariere mir Bohnen, die man vielleicht am Bayer abwischen und dann mit Butter an der Pan warm machen. Und wir haben letztes Jahr extra Champignon bei unserem Busch gesammelt, die wir gedrischen tun und die wir heute präparieren für unseren Hauptplat. Und dabei machen wir noch Tagliatellien. Als Dessert machen wir ein Case Twat. Und zwar holen wir als Basis Vollkorn und Mandeln für unseren Boden. Und dann könnt ihr dran Schlasan mit Mascarpone, zusammengeschicht mit Quetschekraut. Und ganz oben drauf kommen dann Himbeeren. Also wirklich eine flotte Mischung zwischen finnischen und lützebäischen Spezialitäten, die wir zusammenbringen. Normalerweise schaffen wir in Finnland erst mit Mahlbeeren. Aber hier haben wir daneben das Quetschekraut geholt, für wirklich die flotte Mischung zwischen finnischen und lützebäischen Spezialitäten zu kreieren.
Choose your character. Low, 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 low. Character created. Level 1. Run. Well done. 20% success. Woo! Next level. Swim. Fight. Fatality.
We are the champions, my friend, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
100% success.
We are the champions.
You won.
We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world.
Well done. Game over.
Was kart ihr grad?
Yeah, from Latvia we are preparing our
Ma mehr präparieren haut de Mittag als typisch Bauern Essen aus unserem Land. Und zwar Hummer aus dem eigenen Gart, als Kräuter mit Brust, wir machen Gromperen am Butter mit Dill an innen a Knöfelig, dabei ein Hirk an einer ganz spezieller Mustardsoße. Als Dessert benutzen wir schwarzes Brot mit einer süßen Creme drauf. Und dabei holen wir die letzte Bier, die wir mit Honig ummachen.
Love is in the air, every sight and every sound. And I don't know if I'll be don't know if I'll be wise, but it's something that I must believe in, and it's there when I look in your eyes.
Bowl of bibbidi bobbidi boo. Put them together and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Salad-a-doodle, a bowl of bibbidi bobbidi boo. You can do that, believe it or not. Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
That was a good one. You look good on the dance floor.
Oh, I can't wait to go to bed. I have a really tough ping pong match tomorrow. One moment. I don't remember seeing this tree. Oh no. I think we are lost.
Hey guys, what's this? My hand has disappeared. And it has just come back.
Wow, what is this?
What?
Come back later. Wow. Later when? When the sun is down. What? But no, no. Whoa! Who are you?
Call me Glaggy. What do you do inside that box?
I sleep. Why? Why do you point this at me? Do I look like a barbarian?
It's because I need revenge, but I don't remember for who and for what.
You mean... I told you, my shoulders! Maltisia? Maltisia? Oh, she's sleeping. Oh, shh. Good night, my friend.
Good night, my friend.
You are so great. Without you, I am dead. Show me where you come from.
Here. This is the magic tree from where I come from.
Do we go to your place?
I don't know. I don't feel ready.
Anywhere dark.
Maltesia, we know he'll come back for you. We will wait for him.
Why?
I don't like the sun.
Hey, me neither. Where do you come from?
I come from Transylvania.
You, barbarian, take your sword.
Hey, what are you doing?
Mi scusi, mi scusi.
Vivimpire, Glaggy, we think that you don't come from our world. We all think it is for the best that you go home.
Us too. I have a lover, but it's not so easy. Our world is tough.
Me, I'm ready. Before meeting you, all my life was about vengeance and fear. Now, I've gained friendship and self-confidence.
And Flash Gordon was there in Silver Claude Rains was the invisible man. Then something went wrong for Fay Ray and King Kong.
And decided to go for a power walk in the Finnish forest. Pretty soon, it started raining. She was getting a bit cold when she saw this cute old cabin by the shoreline of a beautiful lake.
Maailman tuuli, liittoa
Elovena was very tired after all the eating, drinking, and singing. While Elovena was asleep, the owner of the cabin and the foreign friends returned from the sauna by the lake. As soon as they entered, Matti, the owner, shouted, "Missä mun Karjalanpiirakat on?" And while Matti was upset about the missing pasties, his friend was wondering, "Was ist das?" They all turned towards the living room and started approaching her and looked hostile. Just then, Elovena woke up. Se olikin vaan unta, Elovena said, relieved. The sun was shining through the window. "I guess I have to take the power walk for real now," she said to herself. Put her sneakers on and locked the door behind her. The end.
She died of a fever, and no one could save her, and that was the end of sweet Molly Malone. Now her ghost wheels her barrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh.
James Joyce not only spoke many different languages, he included quotes from many different languages in his books, and tonight, to celebrate Irish, well, European culture, we invite you to discover more about Joyce and Ulysses at the Irish Stand, where you can pick up a booklet about this extraordinary writer. And since Joyce spoke so many languages, let's hear the beautiful quote, "Love loves to love love," in some other European languages, as we celebrate 30 years of friendship here in Luxembourg.
On the night that Maggie died, I was lying by her side. She willed to me her good old flannel drawers. They were tattered, they were torn, round the old gearbox they were worn. The bloody flannel drawers that Maggie wore. That Maggie wore. That Tommy tore. They were tattered, they were torn, round the old gearbox they were worn. The bloody flannel drawers that Maggie wore. Well, she wore them to the dance, and the boys all got a glance at the bloody flannel drawers that Maggie wore. They were tattered, they were torn, round the old gearbox they were worn. The bloody flannel drawers that Maggie wore.
Make a dragon wanna retire, man, I'm too
noche y de día y tú solita, ¿quién lo diría? En esa cama vacía, lloviendo de noche y de día, yo aquí solo, mira qué ironía. En esa cama vacía. Vacía, viendo de noche y de día, y solo